What's the meaning of blancmange? Blancmange. Blancmange.
Blancmange. Blancmange. Blancmange is a dessert that originated in medieval Europe. The name comes from the French words blanc meaning white and manger meaning to eat. It is traditionally made with milk, sugar, and cornstarch or gelatin, which are cooked together to form a smooth, creamy pudding-like substance that is then chilled until set. The dish can be flavored with a variety of ingredients such as almond, vanilla, or rosewater, and is often garnished with fruit or nuts. Blancmange was popular in England during the Victorian era and continues to be enjoyed today as a classic dessert in many parts of Europe.